was passing me by. So I sent off my photos, hobby and age, magazine marriage to try. They say for centuries, lovely Japanese girls have been trained in the art of pleasing men. Be lonely no more, open destiny's door. For a knicker they arrange a meeting. But my image was wrong, I didn't like me, so I changed my personality. I bought a deluxe Mersey beat wig, but it was a size too big. What confidence in my new built-up shoes, so smart for winter or summer, undetectable in normal everyday use. Look out, there's a monster coming. Bye-bye binoculars, the Macintosh. Everything is just great. I take elocution, learn to speak posh, but still I can't find a mate. Oh dear. Be popular, learn to play the guitar. In 7 days you could be strumming. Be sociable, learn kissing technique. Look out, there's a monster coming. For my carnaby clothes, I reshape my nose. Plastic surgery is best. To cut down my weight, off comes my left leg. I pass the swimming costume test. Are my sideboards too long? Don't my aftershave pong? I know my new nose ain't running. What's wrong with my tie? Am I getting too high? Look out, there's a monster coming. Disfiguring ugly, my facial hair I had removed electrically. I rejuvenated my energy cells and regained my virility. Grunt, grunt, I put my hand on my heart, I interchange any part. I had a machine for a mummy. Please be gentle with me, I come to pieces literally. Look out, there's a